Hello everyone, welcome to the session Keyboard Shortcuts. The first key we can see here is Ctrl plus Shift plus T. Using this key you can access the tabs of the Google Chrome. If you close all the tabs, I'm closing it, and if you want again the tabs to be open, you can simply click Ctrl plus Shift plus T. Here you can see that it's open again, all the tabs are being open, so it's easy to work with it. The next hotkey here we can see is using this hotkey you can minimize all the tabs at the one instance. It's window plus M. M represents minimize, so that you can minimize and you will be returned to the desktop screen. Next key here we are going to see is Win plus num. Using this key you can easily open the apps in the task manager. If here I have file explorer in the 4th, so that I can press simply Win plus 4, so that file explorer is opened. Using this you can open apps in the task manager. I have Microsoft Edge at my second place from left to right, so that Win plus 2 opens that Microsoft Edge. Here you can see it's being opened. It will be very useful to us. The next key we are going to see is one of my favorite key. This key will be useful for presentations and others, and this key is Win plus Shift plus S. Using this key you can take a part of your desktop and part of the screen, and you can copy it in the clipboard, and so that you can paste it anywhere in the where you can edit that. So in this I am going to paste it in my Paint app, so it's open, and you can paste by using Ctrl V. Once you can paste, you can also edit that one by using an erasing. If you have any watermark in your, if you don't want any watermark in your presentation, you can also use this trick to erase that watermarks. So this is one of my favorite key. Next key we have to see is split screen key. This key is Win key plus left arrow. If you want to work with 2 apps parallelly and you don't want to mess up with minimizing and maximizing the 2 apps, you can use this trick by clicking Win key plus left, and you will be shown which app you want to work with it. So I am here opening presentation, and in this Google and presentation you can take download images and copy it in presentations, so it will be very useful to work parallelly, and it's time consuming. It will be time. Next key here is multiple app keys. You can simply press Ctrl plus Alt plus Tab, so that it will be showing up what are the apps currently opening in your taskbar, so that you can also go through it one by one, and you can click enter to get into it. And here it's a Windows Explorer. This one is Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. It's usually useful in program manager and troubleshooting. And if you get stuck in any part of the app and it's not responding to you, you can simply click Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, and it will be the task manager will be open. You can just give end task in the task manager, so that it will be closed. and this key is Win key plus E. It opens a file explorer, and in desktop when we are working we have to open many times Windows Explorer, and we can't use our mouse to open it. You can simply click Win key plus combination Win key plus E, and so it will open file explorer. This key Win key plus addition symbol, it will be opening up the magnifier app so that you can zoom in any part of your desktop by using that wherever you place your cursor. It's a bit interesting using this one. You can also play and see. I'm gonna zoom now. My cursor is below that Google Slides, and it's zooming there because my cursor is placed there. It's a bit interesting, right? Okay, next we can go to next key. This key is very basic one. I think you can press Win key plus A, so it will be opening up the access manager so that you can work up with this Wi-Fi brightness and etc. And if you like this video, like, share and subscribe, and comment down the favorite key in your comment section. Thank you.